Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor greenery with the GREENTIME 4-pack fake plants in black pot. If you're looking to spruce up your university room with some low-maintenance greenery, you're in for a treat. These mini artificial eucalyptus potted plants are the perfect solution for adding a touch of nature to your space without the hassle of watering or sunlight. Let's delve into what makes these plants stand out from the rest. First off, these plants are incredibly lifelike and elegant, adding a fresh, modern atmosphere to any room. Made of high-quality plastic, they're durable and pet-friendly. So you can enjoy the beauty of greenery without worrying about maintenance. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the versatility of these plants, using them to decorate everything from desks to bathroom shelves. Plus, with adjustable leaves, you can customize their appearance to suit your style. And the best part? You can get all 4 plants for just $9.99, making them an affordable option for students on a budget. Plus, they're available for delivery right to your doorstep. So there you have it, folks. The GREENTIME 4-pack fake plants in black pot, the ultimate solution for adding a touch of greenery to your university room. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest products.